Hello dear buyer who's watching this video now. Welcome to Guangzhou Ancon Automatic Machinery Co. Ltd. Today we are going to talk about our main product, CNC horizontal drilling, mining and tapping machine. Let's take a look. This machine is suitable for multi-processes and multi-phase machining of batch parts. Drilling, mining and tapping can be completed at one time. The machine also is using CNC control systems, stable and reliable comprehensive functions with automatic up and down devices. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out the link down below and purchase our products. Bye.